Welcome back everybody. Today in this video I will show you how to see if someone screenshot your Instagram story. So let's jump right into it. First we open the Instagram app and let's have a story uploaded. Let's choose a random picture just for the video and then we go ahead and upload it. And then from another account we go ahead and view the story and then take a screenshot. We go back to see if Instagram notifies us. After checking here, we only see the account that has viewed the story. So let's go and check the notification center. After refreshing, there is nothing here also. So it is safe to say that Instagram does not notify you when somebody screenshots your story. However, Instagram does notify you when somebody takes a screenshot of your disappearing message. So like in this example, I took a screenshot of it, and in the main account, it shows me with the notification that somebody took a screenshot with this little circle next to the picture that I've sent. And that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to all of your tech problems. Thanks for watching.